Hi YouTube fams, I'm back. I did my first video with first time do texturizing my hair, which turns out I waited for a week to see the result, which turns out for it to be that it's okay, it's soft, but it's not that curly for me because I'm using the gel often to get the curls that I need. But otherwise from that, it's soft. It's not hard to comb out like before, so which is a good thing. So I have some pictures at the end of this video to show you. It is like Tuesday, Wednesday pictures, so continue watching and you will see them. I don't know if you can see my hair. It's soft. It's soft. So it's pretty good so far. Yeah. So I think I'll continue with this product for a little while longer and see what the result is afterwards. So maybe you'll see me post another video saying something more about it. Thank you for watching.